Hey, this is Father Robert from GadgetAtTheTechStop.net, again here at Showstoppers CES 2009. We're at the Novatel booth with Mike, who's going to explain to us a little product that just might change the way you use mobile internet. Now, you probably have a laptop, and if you have a laptop, you're probably looking at getting some sort of mobile broadband, some way to be connected even when you're out of range of Wi-Fi, even when you're not connected, even when you're not plugged into your home or your office router. Well, there have been a couple solutions. You could get a USB dongle, or more likely you could get a PC-Card or Express Card device that would allow you to run a client on your laptop and connect that way. And it works. The problem is, laptops change. If you had a PC card 2 years ago, it was state of the art, but now you can't buy a laptop with a PC card. Express Card's going to go that way. And who really wants a USB dongle hanging out of the side of their notebook? Well, Mike's going to tell us a little bit about the MiFi intelligent mobile hotspot. Exactly what is this thing that you're holding so gingerly?
Exactly. This is the MiFi intelligent hotspot from Novatel Wireless. This is the next evolution of our product line, as you mentioned, beyond the PC card or the Express Card or the USB dongle. It takes that same 3G cellular signal, whether it's in a CDMA network or a GSM network, and it creates a Wi-Fi hotspot. About 30 foot in radius, it allows up to 5 users to connect simultaneously. So for that one data plan that you're paying for your USB modem, now you can have up to 5 users connected simultaneously with one device. There's no need to plug it into your computer. You can just put it in your pocket. You can put it in your purse, have it in the center console of your car, and your whole family is going to be connected. So, above and beyond that aspect of multiple users being able to connect, the really amazing thing about MiFi is that it has an onboard Linux-based operating system. So it's actually capable of hosting software applications. So similar to the iPhone App Store or the BlackBerry App Store, we're going to open up an API to third-party software developers and allow them to create MiFi-specific applications. Now, this actually also has onboard GPS, both autonomous and assisted GPS, all built into this little package. So developers can create location-based applications, whether that's something that helps you find restaurants or find other people in your area, or some more enterprise-focused applications like auto email sync or auto VPN access. So as you're rolling through the airport with your coworkers, you can have up to 5 people connected to the internet all simultaneously. So that's the intelligence behind the intelligent mobile hotspot.
Yeah, so in other words, it's not just a replacement for that USB dongle or the PC card or the Express Card. It's a combination of various services that you might want to use.
That's exactly right. And as we move forward towards the 4G networks, LTE and WiMAX, we're going to start to see the cost of these the data plans come down pretty significantly. And the fact that MiFi is able to host software applications, that gives the cellular carriers the ability to sell you applications as opposed to just connectivity. So that's going to really help to bring down the price of data plans, which is what we all want to see.
Fantastic. Now, something this small, I mean, if you take a look at it, it really is small. It looks like a couple of stacked credit cards. What kind of battery life can I expect?
You can expect to get 4 hours of active usage or up to 40 hours of standby usage on a single charge. And it charges with a mini USB port right here. So you could keep it plugged in while you're at your house. You have your house as a hotspot. You unplug it, you get in your car's the hotspot. You could have your kids all on their iPod touches or on making Skype phone calls or updating their Facebook page on their laptop. And then you get to work and your office is a hotspot. So it's just taking your connectivity anywhere you want to be.
I think the amazing thing about this, and I think the thing that's really just impressing me, is that it's one of these pieces of technology that's combining a bunch of technologies that exist, but it's giving you options. I mean, I can see providers really pushing this as the new data plan, the new data device that's going to give you your GPS and your service and your broadband.
Yep. Well, we certainly see MiFi positioned to really help the carriers make this transition from 3G to 4G. And until those 4G networks arrive, MiFi is really going to be the way to have connectivity in style. So we're really excited about it, and we've had a really great response from everyone we showed it to here at CES.
So big question, because they always want to know this, and when I don't ask, they get pissed. When is it going to be available? How much is it going to cost?
Certainly. So you're going to expect to start hearing announcements about carrier deployments, so it being available from leading carriers internationally, all within the first half of 2009. The price for this device is going to be $200 before a carrier subsidy. So depending on how aggressively they want to price it, along with the data plans, it could get down even lower than that. So we're hoping for it to be accessible for everyone to be able to use.
So essentially, I mean, it's going to be pretty much the same as the current PC card and Express card batch of broadband devices.
That's exactly. Initially, it's going to be very similar in terms of pricing for the data plans, and then we hope and expect to see those data plans come down in pricing and get as we move more towards 4G networks.
Well, Mike, thank you very much. Thank you very much for showing us this piece of technology. I thank you for being at the show, and hopefully we'll be able to see something like this in the lab. Now, stay tuned for more CES coverage. We're going to be going to the South Hall tomorrow, and remember, there's no Uber Geek without you.